Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to cancel your Netflix subscription. It takes no time at all, so let's get started right now. The first thing you need to do is to open up the Netflix app. If you haven't signed in already, you want to sign in, and then you want to click on whatever profile that you would like. Choose this one. From here, there's going to be an icon, your little icon in the top right corner. You want to click on this icon. From here, you want to click on Account on the bottom. And then, as you can see, you can cancel membership right here. You can also delete your account at the very bottom. However, you might have to identify yourself for this option, for both options, because they just want to make sure that it's the right person who's wanting to cancel the membership or delete the account. So I hope this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next